Have you ever thought about attending the country's largest RV event of the year? Well, the Florida RV SuperShow in Tampa, that just took place in January, is that event. This year, there were over 70,000 people in attendance, the largest record of people yet, which shows that RV lifestyle and RV travel is on the rise. And if you're thinking that you might like to attend next year in 2027, the time to start planning, believe it or not, is now. So in this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips to help make that planning seamless and help you to have the best trip that you could possibly plan for. Whether you are in the market for your first RV, next RV, just curious, or already living the RV travel lifestyle, this is the event to attend. From the most innovative RV models to the coolest RV gadgets, best trip companies, and newest RV resorts throughout the country, the RV SuperShow has it all. And quite frankly, it can be quite overwhelming if you don't have a plan. And this brings me to tip number 1, which is plan to camp out. Whether you already have an RV or are just dreaming of the lifestyle, book a reservation at an RV resort within 30 to 40 minutes of the Tampa fairgrounds. This allows you to experience the RV lifestyle, have some camaraderie with your fellow campers, and really get to pick their brains and hear about their experiences on the road. If you don't have an RV yet, don't worry. You can book an RV resort that has a cabin on site or cottage, or you can rent an RV and have it set up for you when you get to the RV resort. There are many RV resorts within 20 to 30 minutes of the Tampa fairgrounds, but a pro tip is to book now. The next Super Show will take place from Wednesday, January 13th to Sunday, January 17th in 2027, and some of those resorts are already booked for next year. For the past several years, we have made Sandlin RV and Golf Resort our home base when we're at the show. It's close enough for us to pop over to the show for a few days during the week, but yet further enough away to relax, unwind, settle in with our friends, and enjoy the acres of walking trails and the peaceful setting. And our camping experience is a nice contrast to the excitement and activity of the actual show. Which brings me to tip number 2. Plan your experience before you go. Define why you are going to the show. Is it just to look? Or are you actually thinking that you might purchase an RV while you're there? And if you are thinking that you might purchase, try to get there on the less crowded days. So Friday and Saturday typically are the days where you will see the largest crowds. So if you can get there Wednesday, Thursday, or Sunday, that would be best. I'm sure you'll do your research ahead of time, but try to narrow down to 2 manufacturers and the specific floor plans that you'd like to see when you get to the RV show. And get there early and head to those manufacturers first. You'll have a better opportunity to see the coaches without a lot of people in them already. But be open-minded when you do look, because there are literally hundreds of RVs for you to look for. And if you happen to see something else that might catch your eye, you never know. One thing that I found out when we were purchasing at the show is that the show price is not necessarily the final price. So do your research and make sure that you speak to the manufacturer's reps, because they usually have some incentives that they can throw in to help sweeten your deal. We also like to try to get there on a Sunday, or at least go back on a Sunday to finalize our purchase, because the dealers are more likely to negotiate on Sunday than they would have been at the beginning of the show on Wednesday. Another thing that we found out is that you will not take possession of your new RV at the show, so be prepared to go to the dealership. This is another reason that planning to camp out can really work in your best interest. Tip number 3 is to plan to spend some time in the expo tents with the vendors. Here you will discover the latest in RV gear and gadgets. You'll also be able to explore the travel companies and take a look at the trips that they're planning in the upcoming years. And you will get information on all the new RV resorts that are being built throughout the country. Tip number 4 is to plan to do more than just visit the show. There are so many great area events and attractions within an hour, from Legoland to Disney to the Florida beaches. There's even some special events at Westgate River Ranch, such as a rodeo. So I will link these attractions in the description for you. One of the places that we're always sure to go when we visit the RV show is downtown Lakeland. It's a vibrant little town with a wonderful restaurant district. And on Saturdays, there is an open air market where you can buy local wares such as artisan soaps and local honey. So if you get an opportunity and you just want a relaxing afternoon, this is the place to go. If you went to the Super Show this year, drop a comment below letting us know what you enjoyed seeing the most. And if you're thinking about going, what are you waiting for? Start planning now. And click on the link at the end of this video to see our full 2026 camping experience. And if you plan to go next year, we hope to see you there. And until then, I hope you're along for the ride.